Do you need a second income but don't have time for a second full-time job? Do you want some extra money? Many people have discovered that a career in affiliate marketing is the answer. Hey, I'm Bowie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. I've been an affiliate marketer for 3 years, and here's some lessons that I've learned. First, understand that affiliate marketing business will be exactly what you make it. Working in sales as a second income has the advantage of allowing you to work as little or as much as you want. This is one of those occupations that you can work around your own schedule. Most merchants give their affiliates the proper tools for their websites, allowing them to work from home and collect commissions from internet sales. Another thing to keep in mind, that whatever product you decide to promote through affiliate marketing, it must excite you, especially if you intend to use affiliate marketing to supplement your income. When you like and use a product, your passion shines through, and you want to share it with others. Gaining new customers will be difficult if you are not your own best customer. Affiliate marketing also is a good way to make a second income because you can often earn a good living while only working a few hours per week. For example, if you sold a high-ticket item and made $1,000 the first month, the commissions would be reasonable for a couple of hours of work on a weeknight. Affiliate marketing benefits all parties involved. The merchant sells their products and services through a large number of affiliates, resulting in increased sales. The affiliate earns money from home on each sale without the hassle of running a business. And customers are pleased because they can obtain items and services with little difficulty, easy and free to get started. You don't need to know anything about the business or marketing to join a lot of affiliate marketing programs. You don't even have to pull out your credit card to join a network as an affiliate. All you have to do is fill out a simple form that only takes a few minutes. In a lot of these marketing conditions, the affiliate marketer doesn't have to spend a single penny on the business of the merchant. The merchant takes care of that on their own, and the only cost of the affiliate is to market their products or services. You can run your own business from the comfort of your own home, even in your pajamas if you want to. The affiliate also doesn't have to find products, take orders, keep stock, send invoices, handle packaging, handle shipping, etc., or even deal with the final customer for things like after-sales service and refunds. All the affiliate marketing needs to do is focus on marketing so the right people see the offers. The networks make a lot of money by bringing together a lot of affiliates and merchants to do business with each other. You can earn enough money to cover a car payment, a vacation, or even a few $100s per month to help you pay off debt or save for retirement with little effort. Earning a second income requires time and effort. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to a second income. I hope you've gotten some value from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more second income and second income solutions. Your solution to a second income.